God.
Oh math god guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to translate a polygon. Translating a polygon is basically moving the polygon around. And today we're going to be learning how to move a polygon any amount of units to the left, to the right, up or down, or all of the above, who knows. So guys, we're going to be taking a look at the steps and the formulas, so let's begin. So guys, the first thing you have to know is that whenever we're moving any point or any segment or line, we're translating it, we're moving it to the left or to the right, then that point, its value of x is going to be added if we move it to the right, or if we move it to the left, it's going to be subtracted. If the value of y moves up, then it's going to be added, and if we move down, we're gonna subtract, right? So today's example is basically of a triangle, and we're gonna create the image, the translated image of the triangle OMG. So let's begin. So the first thing we're gonna be taking a look at is the image of O, the image of M, and the image of G. So we are going to be moving it 4 units, and because we have negative in X, that means that we're gonna move it to the left 4 units, and 3 units, and because it's positive, we're gonna move it 3 units up. So we're gonna subtract 4 to each value of x and add 3 to each value of y. Okay, so we have 1 minus 4 plus 3. Here we have minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 plus 3. And on G we have 3 minus 4, 1 plus 3, right? And that gives us that the image of O is going to be minus 3 comma minus 1. The image of M is going to be minus 6 comma plus 2. And then of G, the image is going to be minus 1 comma 4. Okay, and now we are ready to draw the pre-image and the image. So let's graph and label. So let's begin by drawing the pre-image. So the pre-image was on 1, right, and minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And here was O. M was on minus 2, minus 1, M. And G was on 3, 1. And when we draw the lines, we are going to see our pre-image, right? The reason it's called a pre-image, guys, remember, is because it's before the translation or the movement actually happens, right? So now let's take a look at the translated image. So the translated image of O is going to be minus 3 comma minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, minus 1. So O is going to be here. M is going to be on minus 6 and plus 2, right? M tick mark. And G is going to be on minus 1, 4. Right? So once we draw the lines, we're gonna see that we have moved 4 units to the left and 3 units up, right? So that is what we have been doing, right? So we have moved 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the left and 1, 2, 3 units up. And we have done that same movement with every single point. So that means that the vertices of the polygons have also moved 3 units up and 4 units to the left. And this is going to be our image. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So feel free to practice the translation of polygons. Make sure you redo this problem again. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!